Okay, today I'll be doing a video on this 3.5 inch to 2.5 inch hard drive converter kit. So this allows you to put two 2.5 inch hard drives or two 2.5 inch SSDs into one rack, which you see right here. So this is a 2.5 inch SSD, Samsung Evo 860, and I will be putting it in here. The way you put it in is like this. This is the rack, and you put it in here just like that. Here's the front. Just put it in like that. So you push this in to get it in. Push it in, pinch it in like this, and push it right in. Now the 2.5 inch SSD is in, and to get it out, you push this in again right there and push out. So the spring thing is holding this 2.5 inch SSD in place. I'm going to put it in. Get a better view. Now the SSD is in, and I'll show you how you can get it into the computer. So this computer is a Dell Precision T5500, which you see right here. So I'm going to get it out. I'm just going to open this latch, and the thing comes right out. Lay it flat so you can get a better view. So this is where you put this rack in, and you put it in this way, just like that. You see this orientation is like that, and there's like little holes on the side, as you can see. And you have to match the little holes into these little holes right here. This tab, I mean, first tab, second tab, and there's another tab on the other side. As you can see right here, this tab and this tab. I don't know if you can see that. There's a tab here, and there's another tab right there, as you can see. Just get it into those tabs. The first thing you have to do is you have to get this up, push them up like that, and align it with this tab. Got it in. hard to do on camera. I think that's firmly in place, and then you just put the cables in. So this is a SATA cable, that one right there. That is the power cable. Power SATA cable, and now both of them are in, so I think that's it. It's ready to go. You just shut the case, and this thing is heavy. Right, the cable. Let me put the case back on the side panel. There's like a tab in there which aligns here and there, and then you just push it right in. And now just locked into place just like that. And that's how you get it in. And you could put another hard drive in there. You could put 2 hard drives in there like I showed you earlier. Okay, thanks for watching. Part I'm going to show you how to get the rack back out if you don't want it in there anymore. And the way to do that is you push up on the tabs, these plastic tabs like that, push up, and then that releases it, and then you just push up like that, and then it just comes right out. So it's a little bit hard to get in because you have to align it. So when you align it, the first tab goes in here, and the second tab goes, I think, right there. So first tab, second tab goes into the hole, and I'll put it in again. A little bit hard to do on camera, but not hard to do when you're doing it off camera. So again, push up on the tabs, and then push down, sorry. And now it's in again. And to get it out, push up on the tabs and slightly lift up. Do it carefully because you don't want to break anything. Just like that. And that's how you remove it. So that's all you do. So removing it and putting it in isn't very hard. Okay, thanks.